Hey, this is Dan King at Fistbump Media, and today I'm going to show you how to add active links into your bio that appears at the end of blog post. Typically, what happens is you add your information. There are no active links in there, but if you want to link to something, you can do that. It just takes a little bit of extra coding, essentially, but it's not complicated coding, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first thing you do is when you're signed in as your user, you can go under the users menu and then to profile. And then as you look at the profile, you'll see you come down to the biographical information field where you type in your bio, and this is where the links would go. The thing is this is it's a very basic text editor, so you can't just like select your text and add a link. You actually need to type in the actual HTML code that goes into this that makes those active links. And it's pretty simple code. If you look here too, I've got some text and then I've got some links, and it starts with this, the little bracket, ahref equals, and then quotes, and then end quote with my link inserted in there, and then a little, the end kind of pointy bracket. And I put that at the beginning of where I want the link to start. So in this case, I'm linking to Amazon for a book, one of my books here. So this is where I want the link to start, is at the beginning of the title of the book. But then at the end of it, I add this piece, 4 characters, basically, the little pointy bracket, the backslash A, which ends the ahref, and then the extra little pointy bracket stuff too. And then you put that at the very end of the piece that you want to be hyperlinked. And when you do that, then those links then will be active. Once obviously save it, right? Update profile. And then those links will be active on the front end of the website, anywhere you have that bio information associated with your author information that's on the page. And that is that. I'll have the text of the code, stuff like that too, as a sample in the knowledge base document shared below this video. Thanks. Have a great day.